Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of Filecoin. What's the price change goes in Filecoin, what's the current price, what's the currently price change occur in a Filecoin, and what is the price predictions of the last 1 hour, last 1 day. In this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, this brain video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Friends, subscribe is very important for all of you. Don't forget to subscribe. If you listen my voice, so please click the subscribe button right now and hit the like button. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now friends, if we look at the average change occur in the Filecoin in the last 1 day, friends, that is the last 1 day price predictions you're watching now on the screen. If we look the average change occur in the Filecoin in the last 1 hour, 1 day, so the change is positive 6.4%, absolutely a good change. And same like that, the high price of the Filecoin is 177.23 USD dollar is the high price of the Filecoin in the last 1 day. Sorry, friends, if you look the price prediction chart of the Filecoin, so as you can see a great falls occur in the Filecoin, but that does not mean that you sell it. As you can see here, after a fast they take a very high jump. As you can see here, after this fast they take a now jump, as you can see here, and after this fast they take a this jump. So every cryptocurrencies after a fast they have to take a jump, friends. So that's a phenomena of cryptocurrencies market. So please try to understand this phenomena. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. What's going in the last 1 hour, what's the currently status of the Filecoin at this time in the cryptocurrencies markets. Let's see. Oh, I like this change occur in the Filecoin. As you can see here, a big change, a really a good change occur in a Filecoin, positive 1.79% change occur in the Filecoin in the last 1 hour, friends. And the high price is 173.52 USD dollar is the high price of Filecoin. As you can see here, if you look the price production chart of the Filecoin, absolutely as you can see here, now at this time they are also in the explosion mode. So friends, according to the price prediction, my suggestion, my decision for all of Filecoin holders, that please hold your Filecoin. That's just the beginning of the jump. The big explosion, the big jump, the big pump of the Filecoin are coming soon, so please wait for it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Thank you so much.